Good morning, class second. Class, this is English Literature workbook. And today we'll start unit second. Which unit is this? Unit second. In this unit, you will solve the same question that you have studied in English Literature, chapter 3rd and 4th. So, ready for this? The first question is complete the conversation. Class, here there are some animals and they are talking something. Okay, these are their conversation. So you have to complete them. Firstly, there is a butterfly. What is she saying? She is saying that I have wings. Wings means feather. Okay, you can see here जो पंख होते हैं. I have wings. Butterfly क्या कह रही है कि मेरे पास wings है, मेरे पास पंख हैं. What do you have, elephant? Then this butterfly is asking a question to this elephant that what do you have, elephant? मेरे पास तो wings हैं, तुम्हारे पास क्या है, elephant? Now elephant is saying I have a long trunk. Trunk means you can see here in this picture, this is called trunk. Elephant's nose, जो हाथी की सूंड होती है ना, उसको क्या कहते हैं, trunk कहते हैं. So elephant is saying I have a long trunk, Trunk, trunk. I can raise it. Raise it means up, moving up. ऊपर की ओर उठाता है ना अपना elephant जो अपने सूंड होती है. So elephant is saying that I can raise my trunk. What can you do, Mayana? Okay, so then this elephant is asking a question to this Mayana that what can you do? तुम क्या कर सकती हो? Then the Mayana is saying I can sing. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? मैं गा सकती हूँ. Okay, a sweet melodious song. What can you do, my dear fish? So then Mayana is asking a question to this fish that what can you do? मैं तो गा सकती हूँ, तुम क्या कर सकती हो? I can swim in the water. Okay, the fish is saying that I can swim in the water. Octopus, can you swim? Here the fish is saying that I can swim. मैं तो तैर सकती हूँ water में, तुम क्या तैर सकते हो? Octopus is saying I have 8 arms. Here you can see in this picture, octopus have 8 arms to move in water. How many legs do you have, dear spider? So firstly, this octopus is saying that I have 8 arms. ये इसके arms होते हैं, ठीक ना? और फिर क्या कह रहा है कि spider तुम्हारे कितने legs हैं? Then the spider is saying I also have 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. And octopus had 8 arms. ऑक्टोपस के क्या होते हैं? 8 आर्म्स होते हैं. स्पाइडर के क्या होते हैं? 8 लेग्स होते हैं. आई यूज देम टू मेक माई वेब. वेब हियर यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर नेट. ओके, स्पाइडर्स हाउस, जो स्पाइडर जहाँ रहता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? वेब कहते हैं. WEB, वेब. जो जाल बनाता है, जाल में ही रहता है ना, जो नेट बनाता है. सो हियर द स्पाइडर इज सेइंग दैट आई ऑल्सो हैव 8 लेग्स. आई यूज देम टू मेक माई वेब. So clear, class, how to this question? Next is question number B. Match the animals to their movements. Class, here you can see there are some animals. You have to match these animals with their movements. Like the first is ant. And ants crawl. Ants क्या करती हैं? Crawl करती ना, रेंग रेंग के चलती है ना. So you will match ants with crawl. Okay. Here there are some insect. Okay, ant and spider, cockroach, they are insects ना. So insects crawl. Insect क्या करते हैं? Crawl करते हैं. Here there are some birds. So birds fly. Bird क्या करती हैं? Fly करती हैं ना, उड़ती है ना. Next is fish. So fish swims. Fish क्या करती हैं? Swim करती है ना, तैरती है ना. Next deer. So deer runs. Deer क्या करता है? Run करता है ना, दौड़ता हुआ करता है ना. So you match deer with runs. Next elephant. So elephant walks. Elephant क्या करता है? Walk करता है ना. And last one is monkey. Monkey jumps. Monkey क्या करता है? कूद कूद के चलता है ना, jump करता रहता है ना हमेशा, इस पेड़ से उस पेड़, इस घर से उस घर. So you'll match monkey with jumps. So clear, class? Next is question number C. Make compound words. Compound words means whenever we use 2 different type of words, we use them together and then make a new word. जब कभी भी हम लोग दो अलग अलग तरह के वर्ड को एक साथ यूज करके एक न्यू वर्ड बनाते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, कंपाउंड वर्ड. Okay, so here in this butterfly there are some words. You have to use them together and then make a new word. Like here, butter plus flying is equal to butterfly. Him plus self, himself. Can plus not, cannot. Every plus one, everyone. Super plus man, superman. Thank plus full, thankful. So clear class? How to this question? Next is question number D. Rewrite the sentences in plural form. Class, here in this question there are some sentences, but these sentences are in singular form. You have to write them in plural. Okay, and we change the noun and verb form of these words to change them in plural. जो सेंटेंसेस में जो भी नाउन वर्ड होंगे और वर्ब वर्ड होंगे उसको हम क्या करेंगे, प्लूरल में चेंज करेंगे. ओके, जस्ट लाइक द फर्स्ट इज द काउ इज हंग्री. सो काउ सिंगुलर वर्ड ना, सो वी विल राइट काउस एंड वी यूज आर. काउस प्लूरल है तो हम आर का यूज करेंगे, ठीक ना. सो यू विल राइट द काउस आर हंग्री. नेक्स्ट, अ काफ इज ईटिंग ग्रास. ओके, सो काफ सिंगुलर वर्ड, so plural of calf is calves. The calves are eating grass. Okay, the calves are eating grass. Next, fish swims in water. So plural of fish is fishes. The fishes swim. You will don't use here s. Okay, जब यहाँ पे plural form हो गया तो यहाँ पे हम s का use, verb में s का use नहीं करते हैं. So the fishes swim in water. Next, I saw butterfly. So plural of butterfly is butterflies. I saw butterflies. Okay, don't use a here. Okay, आ का use हम नहीं, आ का use one के लिए होता है ना. अब butterflies तो कई सारी हो गई, मैनी हो गई, तो हम आ का use यहाँ नहीं करेंगे. I saw butterflies. Next is kangaroo has a small baby. Okay, so here plural of kangaroo is kangaroos and plural of baby is babies. Okay. So kangaroos have, we use have. Okay, kangaroos have small babies. Okay, so clear how to do this question. Next is encircle the odd one out. Odd means different. There are some words you have to circle that word which is different, okay, from the other word. यहाँ कुछ वर्ड्स हुए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे 4 वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उन 4 में से जो वन आपका डिफरेंट है, अलग है, उसको क्या करना है, हमको सर्कल करना है. जस्ट लाइक नंबर फर्स्ट इज फिश, ऑक्टोपस, फ्रॉग एंड कैट. सो क्लास, हियर फिश, ऑक्टोपस एंड फ्रॉग, दीज ऑल एनिमल्स लिव इन वाटर. ये तीनों कहाँ रहते हैं, वाटर में रहते हैं ना. बट कैट लिव ऑन लैंड, ये लैंड पे रहती है ना, वाटर में नहीं रह सकती है. So here this is different, this is odd, so circle it. Next, sparrow, dog, crow, eagle. So class, sparrow, crow and eagle, these all are birds. But dog is an animal, pet animal, so circle it. This is different. ये तीनों bird है ना, but ये animal है, so ये different हो गया ना, so circle it. Next is lion, cow, goat, buffalo. So class, cow, goat and buffalo, these all are pet animals, domestic animals. Okay, but lion is a wild animal na, so this is different, so circle it. Next, ostrich, manna, pigeon, vulture. So class, manna, pigeon and vulture, these 3 birds can fly, but ostrich can't fly. Okay, जो ostrich है वो उड़ नहीं सकता, ये तीनों उड़ सकते हैं, but ostrich can't fly. Okay, so this is different, so circle it. Next question is question number F, riddle time. Riddle means puzzle. Here you have to read some riddle, okay, then answer that what is it. Okay, यहाँ कुछ आपको क्लू दिए जाएंगे, कुछ पजल दिए जाएंगे और उसके हेल्प से आपको बताना है कि वो कौन सी चीज है. Okay, so the first is who am I? I am the king of the jungle. Okay, the first letter is L and last is N. So now tell me, who is the king of the jungle? Lion na, so here we'll write lion, Lion, lion. Next, I am the smallest animal on earth. First letter is A. So now tell me, what is it? Which is the smallest animal on earth? Yes, very good. It is ant. A-N-T, ant. Next, my baby is called a cub. Letters are, the first letter is T and last letter is R. So now tell me, whose baby is called a cub? Yes, very good. It is tiger. 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 Okay. Next, I give you milk. The first letter is B and last is O. So what is it? Yes, it is a buffalo. 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 Next, I am the largest animal on earth. First letter is W and last letter is E. So class, tell me, what is it? Yes, it is a whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Next, I am the biggest animal on land. First letter is E and last is T. So what is it? Yes, it is an elephant. Next, I can live both land and in water. Okay, both on land and in water. Okay, first letter is C and last is E. So class, tell me, what is it? कौन ऐसा है जो लैंड पे भी रह सकता है, वाटर पे भी? Yes, it is a crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Next, I do not exist now. Exist means इस समय वो नहीं पाया जाता है, ठीक ना? So the first letter is D and last letter is R. So to last, tell me, what is it? Yes, it is a dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-O-U-R, dinosaur. So clear class, how to this question? Now next is question number G. Fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the help box. Class, here you have to complete these sentences with the use of these words. Okay? And these words are collective nouns word. Okay? ये जो words हैं आपके क्या कहते हैं इसको हम? कलेक्टिव नाउन्स वर्ड में है ये. ओके, विच इज यूज्ड फॉर ग्रुपिंग. जब कोई भी चीज ग्रुप में होता है तो हम कलेक्टिव नाउन वर्ड का यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज आई सॉ अ डैश ऑफ बर्ड्स. सो हियर इन नंबर फर्स्ट यू विल राइट फ्लॉक. वी यूज फ्लॉक फॉर ग्रुप ऑफ बर्ड्स. अब कई सारे बर्ड्स होते हैं तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? फ्लॉक यूज करते हैं. ओके, FLOCK, फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स. Next, a dash of elephants was standing near the river. So group of elephants are called herd. H-E-R-D, herd. Okay. Next is, there is a colony of ants in this hole. So we use colony for group of ants. So कई सारी ants होती है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? Colony कहते हैं. Okay. Next is, a dash of fish is swimming together. So group of fish are called shoal. Okay, S-H-O-A-L, shoal. Next, this tree has a dash of bees. So group of bees are called swarm. S-W-A-R-M, swarm. Okay, so clear class? How to this question and what is it? Next question is question number H. Color the picture given below. Class, here you can see there is a picture. Okay, in this picture there is a girl, there is a boy, and they are feeding something to these birds. Okay, they are giving some grains to these birds. So you have to color this picture. Okay, make a very beautiful picture. Clear? And you will use crayons or pencil color for it. आप स्केच कलर यूज नहीं करोगे, आप या तो पेंसिल कलर या तो क्रेयॉन्स का यूज करोगे. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो यू शुड ऑल्सो फीड द एनिमल्स अराउंड यू. ओके, आपके आसपास जो भी एनिमल्स और बर्ड हैं तो उनको हमें क्या करना चाहिए? फीड करना चाहिए, खाना देना चाहिए. ठीक ना? आप खाना दो, अनाज दो, दाना दो, जो भी दो, बट आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए. सो क्लास, हियर योर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर वर्कबुक यूनिट 2 is totally completed. Hope you all understood very well. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.